Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a click action. Click action comes very handy when you want to interact with web elements like buttons, links, or any other clickable web elements. Um, so let's get started. First of all, the click action we have different types of clicks. There's a normal click action where you can just click on the single element, and then there is a repeat click action, which I'm gonna cover after this, and click by text. So let's start with the normal standard click action. So let's say that we have this kind of scenario where you want to scrape some data or whatever you want to do, but you're getting blocked by this pop-up. You want it to remove. So in order to do this, you just use click action and select this close button over here. So it's going to tell Automatio to click on this close button. Over here you see this arrow, it's called execute button. So if I click this execute button, it's gonna simulate the click right now in the browser extension, without me clicking over here. I'm gonna click over here. So this give you ability to proceed further. So yeah, let's see how the Automatio gonna do it. So we can do this, we can watch Automatio doing this by just adding some screenshot action. So I'm just gonna very quickly add some screenshot action, so we can see what Automatio see out there. So we have wait, screenshot, and then gonna click, and then I'm gonna again have wait and a screenshot. Let's create this instance and run and see what's gonna have. So I'm gonna navigate to the dashboard. We already have this running. If I go to the logs, I'm gonna see that it's navigating there. It's waiting. It's gonna take a screenshot now. It's gonna show over here. So let's see the screenshot. This is how what Automatio see when it come to page, and this is what Automatio see after clicking that close button. So this is how the click action comes very handy. So now I want to show you, or we're gonna go through the repeat click, which is a very handy option. So let me just prepare the example for that. Be right back. Okay, so for the click repeat option, I'm gonna use this website and just for demonstration purpose. So let's say that I wanna tell Automated to come to this page and click on each of these upvote button one by one. Doom, 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 doom. As you can see in the previous example, the standard click is just there to click on the one element. But here, if we select the repeat click option, we can select multiple elements to be clicked. I'm gonna unselect this downvote and just leave with upvotes. And what's gonna happen? Automatically will go there and click one by one. I can also put delay so it can be 1 second between each of these. So, but let's put 500 milliseconds actually. So in order to see this happening, again, I'm gonna use a screenshot. So I'm gonna put a screenshot before we clicked. Then I'm just gonna drag this at the bottom, as you can see. And now I'm gonna just clone this very quickly and take a screenshot after automate your click all these 17 upvotes, so we can just see some interaction happening. So let's do it. I'm gonna click create and run, go back to the dashboard. We have the instance, it's running, as you can see. Now if I go to click on the logs, we see it's happening, navigating, it's taking a screenshot, and now it's clicking one time, second time, three times, five. It's clicking. So I'm gonna go back to the screenshots and let's see. This is the screenshot before I started clicking. As you can see, there is no interaction on these buttons, both buttons. But now when he finished, he's gonna take the screenshot again. And as you can see, this is the screenshot at the bottom of the page. He clicked on each of these vote button over there, which basically uh, became red. So this is where the click repeat uh, option can be handy. I mean, this is a very kind of basic, simple example, maybe even nonsense example, but just for demonstration purpose, so you can figure it out how you can utilize the click repeat options. Let me go and do one more example of vanilla.io very quickly. Very quickly. All right, so let's say that for some reason, uh, if I use a normal click button, I want to click on this button over here, and if I use a normal click, standard click, it doesn't work. And this happens quite a lot. I mean, it happens depending how much you're using Automatio, but sooner or later you're gonna come to some website which is probably doing this to protect from the scraping or from web automation. They dynamically change the selectors, and it's a very tricky to click, and sometimes you need to have a different way of clicking. So for example, uh, in order to click on this, we're going to use click by text option. So if I select this, I'm going to get this field, and I can say, hey, click on contact us now, and it's going to click on this contact us now button. So this is just another example of how you can use the click with the different options. For example, also here, if I would say click on by the text, and for example say, so this is a click repeat, and you can combine with click by text, and you can say, for example, click where its designer mentioned. So he will go and click only. Let's say the click is actually on these titles over here. So he will go and click only on the title where the designer is mentioned and skip other. So this is how it will work. Very powerful. So you can combine click with any other action like input, extract, toolbox, paginate. So yeah, this is how the click works.